also first time here.
Oh yeah, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out together. So guys, welcome back again. It's J Papa Twins. I'm here with my friend. So I guess we're looking. So it says North Falls Trail Hyde parking lot, South Limb Trail. So yeah, I think it's this way maybe.
What's there?
Yeah, that's the parking, I think.
Because full of water is flowing.
Because you know the fall. I think the fall is just right there, down there, right? Yeah, this one goes and then falls down. I guess. Let's try that. Yeah, let's try that. Yeah. So you said it's your first time here too?
Yeah. So, last time I just, I came here just to watch the road, right? Because I'm like riding the bike. So.
Oh yeah. Oh, I like it, man. You know, bikes you can go far. You can go farther.
Oh, there's a couple of people over there too.
Yeah, the fall is right here, guys. Sit down. Guys, the fall is just right here. So we're gonna go from the other side so you can see it. So it's just down here. This is from the top, guys. See this? So we're going to follow this river. If you see down there, there's people walking over there too. So there's a little cliff over here. If you see, it's like on top of the cliff. So yeah, we are going to see. Yes. Oh yes. How you guys doing? Good.
Good. Very well.
Good.
Thank you. How about
Good.
yourself?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Good.
So you came to enjoy over here?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice. I see. She's
First time
excited.
for the 10 mile,
Oh
or
wow.
10, the 10 waterfalls, yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Is it your first time?
First time.
Okay, hi
Yep.
Ryan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm
Hi,
Jay.
Jeff.
Nice to meet you.
Good.
Yeah. So I'm trying to show my viewers what it look like.
That's my favorite one right down there.
This one down here. What?
Yeah. It's you go all the way behind it and back. It's amazing.
Wow.
Yeah, keep following the trail. Take you behind, and you got a beautiful view, looking down the river.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So my channel is J Papa Twins.
Okay.
J-A-Y Papa Twins.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, just watch it out. Give me a
Check
like.
it out.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
All right.
yeah.
All right, enjoy
the rest of your day.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Yeah, thank you. All right. I think we can go all the
It's
way.
really beautiful, but I think that
It is. It is. They said we can go all the way and then it goes all the way down here. That's what they said. Yeah, let's try that. Man, it's beautiful over here. At least today it's not cold.
it's not that cold, you know.
Yeah. Not that bad.
Yesterday, I went to the Mount too.
Oh, okay. Good. Oh. Guys, look up here. Guys, I have to kind of go down a little bit.
It was cold,
Yeah. Oh, it's cold over there. Ooh, ooh. You have to have gloves.
I didn't get to the mountain itself. Just
How you doing? Good. So you didn't get the mountain itself?
yeah, because I also rode a motorcycle, so
Oh yeah.
it starts getting smaller.
Yes.
So you can come back.
Oh yeah, it's alright.
We look at that.
It's raining.
I know, right?
Guys, going steep hill.
Like walk.
Yes.
Excuse us.
Uh-huh. Alright, guys, look at this. We're coming from all the way up there, guys. So look at that, guys. I'm here with my friend. What's your name again?
My name is Maxim.
Okay, good. So the Maxon is from, where are you from again?
From Russia.
From Russia, Putri. But yeah, so it's the first time to have a friend from Russia and I'm from Africa. So this is a good combination. So we're going here for the first time to see the waterfalls and see what's going on down there. we're gonna go show you guys what's the beauty of this place. And yeah, it's beautiful. It's kind of wet down here from the drops. Well, actually we're heading there, guys. We are getting closer. Guys, we're getting closer to the falls. Look at that. How you doing? Good, good, good. Guys, look at that. We're getting closer, closer and closer. See here? Oh man, it's beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that. Look at this moment still, guys. Woo, woo. So I'm going under this cliff. See this? Under this rocks, guys. Looks like it's falling on me. Look at this. So you can hear. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at the waterfall right here. Woo, I love it. I love it, guys. Look at it. I don't know where it's coming from. Right. I have to kind of go down. Oh man, it's dropping on my eyes. Look at us, guys. You have to bend. Huh? Hey, 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 hey. Good, good. You too. Guys, look at this cliff. So we're going under this cliff, all the way down. So this is the fall, guys. We're gonna go under the fall. So that's what it is. It's so beautiful, so nice. Yeah. So look at that, guys. We're going under. It's dry, nice and dry. Nothing down here, guys. Oh, I'm telling you. It's amazing, guys! Amazing! Woohoo! How you doing, guys? Yeah, enjoying?
Yes.
Hey, yeah. How is it?
Where are you from?
I'm from Africa.
Africa.
Yeah, Kenya.
Did you come just to the falls?
I know. I live in Salem for now.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
We live in Utah.
Where?
Utah.
Utah. Utah is it like this or it's kind of different a little bit?
It's pretty dry.
Very dry.
Red rock.
Red rocks.
Yeah.
I need to come over there one day.
Yes.
Yeah.
St.
Maybe
George.
this summer.
St. George, Moab, Kanab.
Okay.
Yeah. Lake Powell.
Oh, okay.
Lake Powell is like.
Lake Powell is beautiful.
Lake Powell is yeah, beautiful.
Oh, good. I think I need to come over there maybe this summer.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
That would be cool.
Yeah, guys, enjoy Oregon. There's more normal falls and everywhere. Just enjoy.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. All right, guys. So it's really look at the fall. Just right here, guys. Just under. I am under. It's going through. Look at that, guys. It's going under me. Look at this, guys. Woohoo! Oh yeah. I wish I could have. I can jump over there, but it's the wave is so strong. I cannot jump. Hey, how you doing? Good, good. Having fun?
Yeah.
Good. Enjoy. Right here. now here we are. We're now getting out. Yep, it's great from the top. Guys, look at this fall right here. So beautiful. So I was in that tree. And I love that. Okay. Guys, let me take a video for my Facebook and my Instagram, guys. All right. Good. Alright, enjoy. Check my YouTube channel, J Papa Twins, J-A-Y Papa Twins. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm gonna go back now. It's the same thing, so enjoy. I hope you enjoy watching. And again, I'm gonna end my video right here with my friend. Okay guys, keep watching, and if you like the video, subscribe, share, and comment down there. Give it a like. I really love it. J Papa Twins again. Keep enjoying, guys. See you next time.